What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Simba coming back here again with another reaction video for you guys today. For today's reaction video, we got Braun Strowman demolishes a TV production truck. Let's jump up in it, man. Braun Strowman is a monster among men, for sure, man. He's a beast. Stone Cold, baby!
$12 million television trucks.
12 million?
I'll shut this whole show down. What's this do? If I smash this right now, will it shut all these monitors off in here? Huh?
He said, what's this do?
What about you? What is this? How do I shut this stuff off? What? Huh? You guys in here think it's funny and I'm getting fired. It's funny. I'll shut everything down. What does this stuff do, huh? What is this? Huh? Get out of here!
He said, oh, come on, let's...
Get out!
He tripping. We gotta go. For real, y'all better get out before he kill y'all. You gonna get out or like y'all just gonna stay there? Nah, y'all ain't good. Get out.
I think he's going, guys.
People are stupid.
Back in. Quick. In. Get in.
Why would you go back in there? He told you to get out. Y'all tripping. I've been out.
Still in the air?
I've been halfway to Mexico by now.
Hold on, guys.
What's that noise? Oh!
What the hell? Strowman just disengaged.
Oh, he give no fucks. He don't care.
Oh no! Oh my God! No!
What? No.
Bro, what the hell are you doing? You barking! Get out of my way! I called the cops! You better get out of here if you know what's good for you. I called the cops. Run! Run! What are you doing? Run! What the?
Oh my God.
Run! I said stop!
No. He's a beast! Such a beast! Such a monster. I love it. Well, there you guys have it, man. My reaction to Braun Strowman pretty much eating everyone and flipping over a truck. He is awesome. He is such a... he makes me so happy. If you guys like this video, man, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.